Students, good morning. Today, the topic of our class is verb. Without verb, we cannot make a sentence. And here, there is a small game. I am going to perform some actions, and you have to write the name of the actions. So now it begins. And you may also perform so many actions: running, jumping, playing, and you also see on the screen of a TV an actor performs so many actions: fight, fly, jump, smile. So these are the words of action and they are verbs. In addition to these words of action, there are also some other words of verb. They are called auxiliaries. For example, is, are, am, was, were, has, have, had, do, does, did, shall, will, can, could, may, might, etc. So they play an important role in a sentence. Without a verb, we cannot make a sentence. Generally, you make a sentence and you do not use a verb, you miss it, so your sentence gets wrong. Verb is so important that if a sentence is made of a single word, that word must be a verb. So when you write a sentence, you must check whether you are using the word of verb or not, whether the word of verb is in correct form. So you must check. You have to prepare a list of action words, a list of 100 words, and you have also to write their different form as past form, past participle form. So you will have a good stock of verb and you will be easily identify the word of verb in a sentence when you are going to read the text. So you will identify them and you will use them in a sentence and your sentences will be correct. So, as a homework, you have to make the list of the verb, including present form, past participle form, and you have to learn. So here we come to the end of the class. Thank you.